Hello. Welcome to Cooking with Mahtab. Restaurant-style Akbar Joojeh is a delicious, popular, and very famous Iranian dish that has many fans. Join me to see how to cook Akbar Joojeh along with a very delicious sauce. Soon I will also provide the Akbar Joojeh recipe in the Galuga Mazandaran style for you. So if you haven't followed the Cooking with Mahtab channel, follow and stay with me. For making Akbar Joojeh, it's better to use chickens with a lower weight. The best size is between 800 grams to 1 kilogram and 200 grams. Completely divide the chicken into two parts so that each part includes the thigh, breast, shoulder, and wing. Make sure not to remove the chicken skin under any circumstances. Then clean it thoroughly. Also clean the cavity completely and let the excess water drain off. Now sprinkle 1 teaspoon of black pepper and salt on both sides of your chickens. Massage it well so the flavors are absorbed. Then add the same amount of turmeric, paprika, and garlic powder and massage it. Place the chicken in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of brewed saffron. Massage it well so that all parts of the chicken are thoroughly coated with the spices and brewed saffron. In a bowl, place 2 large onions that you have sliced into strips in a layer and add the chicken on top of those onions. Your chicken should be placed between the sliced onions. Now just pour the juice of 1 fresh lemon over it. If you don't have a fresh lemon, use 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then cover your dish with cling film and seal it, and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 4 to 5 hours. Keep in mind that the longer the resting time, the better. That is, after resting for 12 to 24 hours, take it out of the fridge and separate the onions from the chicken. Now, just take a relatively large pan and pour frying oil into it. You need to pour more oil than usual so they fry well in the oil. This dish requires a lot of oil. Fry both sides of the chicken completely. As you can see, I have completely fried both sides of the chicken. After frying the chicken, be sure to lower the heat. Now add 100 grams of butter, which makes its taste and aroma heavenly, along with 2 tablespoons of brewed saffron. Wrap the lid of your pan in a tea towel, close the lid, and let it cook on low heat for 1.5 hours. If the heat is too high, it will cause your chicken to burn. So pay close attention to it. This dish doesn't need water and will be fully cooked with just the butter and oil you added. In the meantime, let's move on to the incredibly delicious sauce for this dish, for which we need 5 tablespoons of mild pomegranate paste and 6 to 7 crushed walnut kernels. Add them to the bowl where you put the pomegranate paste along with 2 to 3 grated garlic cloves. Then mix very well until they are well combined. This heavenly sauce is truly delicious. If you make it once, you'll fall in love with its taste. After 1.5 hours, your chicken is ready and cooked to this deliciousness. Serve with saffron rice and pour that amazing and delicious sauce over your chicken. I hope you make it and enjoy it to the fullest. Thank you for staying with me until the end. I would be very happy if you follow the Cooking with Mahtab channel and stay with me.